Dapat yung dalawang yan naka-asul. Yung isa dyan naka-asul eh.
Alright, second quarter begins. So 26-20 in favor of the Mapua Cardinals. Martin Javier with Big Bo Belga here in the broadcast. Big Bo first quarter natin. Ang naging tema as Jubilia scores on the scoop. Yung mga turnovers ng Benilde sa first quarter.
They already have 8 turnovers dito sa first quarter pa lang natin. They really need to take care of the ball and yun nga. Kung gusto nilang ma-involve itong si Alin Liwag, kailangan niyang magawa ng paraan yung mga double team na nangyayari. And ito naman, walang Alin Liwag. Itong second unit ni Coach Charles Chu, magandang ipinapakita dito.
Ian Torres scoring his first 2 points in the finals. 28-22 here. It is Camis. Only a short rest para kay Clint. Palit na siya dito sa ating laban. Chris Jubilia falls down and draws the foul. And Jubilia is down here.
Oo. Medyo tumama yung ulo niya doon. Coming off a bump.
So let's see what happened. It was Chris Jubilia gathering and running into Torres.
Oo, nag-slip yung paa. Wala namang ginawa si Torres dahil nga nakatayo lang siya. Actually, yun nga, reaction ni Torres na nakatayo, tama naman eh.
Oh.
He was just standing there. He was the first guy there. And ito nga, papasok itong si Jubilia.
Yeah, that was
Kaya
just
siya nagreklamo eh.
that was just good honest defense by Ian Torres.
Kanina pa siya dyan eh. Actually, ayan, nakatayo na siya. Yun. Di ba?
Yung timing lang nung pagbanggaan nila eh.
Oo.
Di ba?
Mas ano talaga kumbaga mas grabe kay Jubilia kasi nga hindi niya expected na may tao doon bigla na darating. Kaya hindi niya na-anticipate. Yung bagsak niya talagang mas malakas. Pero bato to eh.
Oo nga eh. Kaya nga nagulat tayo eh. Bihira lang natin makita ng ganun si Chris Jubilia.
Alam mo yun? Na nasaktan eh.
Usually, pinapagpag lang niya yan.
Oo. Remember, natapilok to, pinagpag sa sahig eh. Kung kailangan ito ng bote na pagugulungan itong batang to eh.
Correct. Chris Jubilia, only a 69% free throw shooter. That's actually pretty good, especially for a big man. Ngayon, puntahan ulit natin for a second quarter report. Unahin muna natin ang side ng Cardinals. Nandito si Flo Delaga. Flo, go ahead.
I got one for you, Martin. Kung si Big Bo ay may iconic nickname, mayroon din ng Mapua Cardinals. Nabago na nga ang apelyido ni Clint as they now call him Tres Camis. Sagot dito ni Clint, he is flattered by this nickname as it is proof of his consistency beyond the arc. But at the end of the day, credits pa rin daw sa kanilang super rookies such as Chris Jubilia na may bansag na bato from his supporters because he has become the rock of the Mapua Cardinals. Steady, solid at masakit kapag tinamaan. Si Clint, Tres Camis at bato, Jubilia nga ba ang magiging susi ng kanilang panalo? We'll find out. But in the meantime, back to you, gentlemen.
Saktong-sakto ka dyan, Flo. Dahil itong dalawang to, yung bumibida para dito sa Mapua sa ating first half. Ito si Ian Torres misfiring on the 3. So, Tres Camis. Meron naman Tres si Clint. Wala pa.
Wala pa.
Yeah, he's only taken one shot from long distance. Ito si Chris Jubilia on the hook. And Antonio Eusebio corrals it.
Hindi mo rin matitinag basta-basta itong si Eusebio. Matibay din ito.
Ito na si Anton. Meta is open for 3. That's too strong. And Jubilia pulls it down. Lawrence Pamubat, showstopper in the first. 2 triples para kay Lawrence. He's back in the ball game here. Escamis. Double cross, step back 3. Nope.
Wala.
And there's a foul underneath. It'll be against the Blazers.
Uy.
Si John Morales ang tatawagan dito.
Oo, yung defense. Akala ko it's between Eusebio and ito yung pasahan kanina ni Escamis tsaka ni Concepcion. Nakita ni ni Concepcion tsaka ni Jubilia. Nanggaling na kay Concepcion, binigay kay Jubilia, binigay ulit kay Concepcion. Ikaw na.
Ikaw na pumuntos.
Oo. Akala natin kanina, ang foul is between Jubilia and Eusebio. Doon pala kay Escamis sa attempt ni Clint.
Okay, so this will be 3 free throws for Clint Escamis because that was a foul while he was taking a 3.
Oo.
And Escamis with 17 points already. He did all of that in the first frame. trying to add on to his total. Again, this is his average in the season already.
Oo, kasi 16 point ano lang to eh. 16.3 lang.
Yeah.
Pero 17 na.
Grabe. Okay, we're hearing the MVP chants here in Araneta. Now we go to Benilde side. Here's a report from Aliyah Fideliaga. Aliyah?
The last time the Benilde Blazers set foot in the NCAA Finals, Coach JC Cuellar was team captain and now as the assistant coach. He shared the biggest lesson he learned from that heartbreak. To win it all, you must be mentally strong and prepared for whatever comes your way. With most of the team navigating unfamiliar territory in the finals, he wants the Blazers to enjoy every bit of the series and to do whatever they did to get here. Coach JC also added that if they handle Mapua's physicality and play within their system, they will have a good chance. Kaya tingnan natin how they will turn their season 98 and 99 heartbreaks into a victory. Balik sa inyo, Martin and Bo.
Thanks, Aliyah. Physicality will be a big factor here in the finals. Kasi itong Mapua, well, they're highly physical as a team, Big Bo. And usually, Benilde, when they face physical teams,
Nahihirapan sila
medyo nahihirapan ng konti.
nahihirapan sila eh. And yun naman yung kailangan mong i-overcome.
Yeah.
If you wanna be a champion, those are part of the game. Na physical, konting panggaan, konting, talagang sasakit ng katawan mo. But if you overcome that one, malaking, kumbaga malaki ang chance mong manalo.
Yeah.
Diba?
And we expect Mapua to maximize, their advantage when it comes to physicality here. Ganda nung pasahan. Pero nang-agaw ng Mapua. Chris Obilla recovers, picks it up. Ilalabas kay Abunete. Escamis for 3. Escamis knocks it down! And the foul! A chance for 4 for Clint Escamis. What a show! 21 points, 3-pointer, and the foul with a lot of contact. No problem for Mr. Rookie MVP. And that amazing play from Clint Escamis is definitely our McDonald's play of the game, brought to you by the new and better McCafe Iced Coffee Boulder Brew and Creamier Blend McDonald's. Love ko to!
Nabuo ang samahan ng NCAA at GMA noong 2020 sa kasagsagan ng COVID-19 pandemic kung kailan pinagbawal lahat ng face-to-face events. Ngunit kung ang ibang mga liga ay nagkansela ng kanilang mga season, itinuloy pa rin ang NCAA Season 96 Rise Up Stronger. Online, ginawa ang halos lahat ng mga sports events kasama na ang opening ceremony. Nagkaroon din ng virtual chess at taekwondo tournament at live basketball at volleyball skills challenge na alinsunod pa rin sa mga health protocols. Yan ang NCAA sa siglo 1. Nabuo ang samahan ng alam nyo ba na meron ding Kapuso Stars ang nag-aral sa NCAA schools? Ilan sa mga ito ay sina Yasser Marta na naging team B ng San Sebastian bago lumipat sa LPU. Si Anthony Rosaldo naman ay galing sa Arellano at si Rocco Nasino na naging Mr. Mapua pa. Mga perpetualites naman sina Kailin Alcantara at Shaira Diaz.
We're back to the coverage. NCAA Season 100 on GMA. And right now, it is the Mapua Cardinals maintaining their 11-point lead, 35-24, right behind the 21-point explosion of Clint Escamis here in the first half. At chance ang takdagan ang kanyang punto sa linya. 21 of the 35 Mapua points galing lang kay Clint Escamis.
So ibig sabihin, yung 14 yan hati-hati na sa mga teammate niya. Diba? Kumbaga sa, talagang buhat eh. Binubuhat niya na dito sa first half eh. Sana, yun nga, magtuloy-tuloy, di ba? Kasi syempre, ibig sabihin namang hindi mag-adjust itong Benilde tsaka si Coach Charles, di ba? So,
22 points now for Clint, and it is a 12-point lead for Mapua. Deep reverse for Gabi Cometa. So 36-26. Over 3 minutes gone here in the second frame. Checo Bangkale nasa laban natin. Concepcion, perimeter point. Mapua owning this. Concepcion called for a walk.
Oo. Kanina pa nabibitawan ni Concepcion. Ang dami niya mga libre. Ito yung atake ni Gab Cometa.
Did he score on a tip? Ooh, sa tip yun, ano?
Natapik ni tinip ito ni Alin Liwag.
Sa puntos para kay Liwag doon. Tony Inot. Inot, tahimik pa. Inot, wala pa rin. And Concepcion comes away with the board.
Oh, they're doing a good job boxing out Alin Liwag, not letting him get the offensive rebound. Kasi pag nakuha ni Alin Liwag yan dyan sa gitna, tutukan na eh. Kumbaga, 70% para dito kay Alin Liwag pag nakuha yung offensive rebound eh. Ito, tumatakbo ang St. Benil.
Justin Sanchez,
Oy!
side step, missing the layup. And here come the Cardinals. Escamis. Abonete straight away. He'll get off the bank. Offensive rebound para kay Bangkale. Balik sila kay Escamis. Escamis decides to shoot.
Short.
Abonete gets it back. Ito ulit si Clint. Ooh.
Uy!
Ball is picked off. It is picked up by Liwag, and here comes Pinild. Tony Inot, drop off. Sanchez finishes with the left.
Sayang, hindi tinira ni Tony Inot yun, oh.
So foul muna ang tinawag dito bago yung tira ni Justin Sanchez.
Oh.
And it's gonna be on John Habonete. Oh, no.
Tira na eh, panira
Tira
na,
na.
nandun na siya eh. Even if he miss it, nandun si Justin Sanchez to get the offensive rebound. Kaya lang ang nangyari doon, na-foul siya nito ni Habonete, kaya walang free throws.
Tony Inot. A little over 10 points per game in season 100 for Pinild. Today, he hasn't scored yet. Mark Sanko. Here's Justin Sanchez. Sanchez off the cross. Looking for his first field goal, and he's going to be called for a travel.
Tinatawagan na ng traveling yung
Yung same
half
foot
step,
na.
half step na same foot ang bagsak. Kailangan yung pala Euro step ang gagawin mo. Ayan.
Ayan na.
Nag-hop siya dun sa right. Nag-land din siya dun sa right. Kaya traveling.
Almost halfway through the second frame.
Even sa pro, tinatawagan nila ng traveling yun.
Huling-huli ka na ng referee pag ginawa mo.
Oo, hindi na pwedeng pabayaan na.
Cross-court pass. Abonete with one. He needs to take it. Wild attempt. Shot clock violation on Mapua. So Benil gets the stop.
Oo.
Let's see if they can retaliate. 5 on the floor for Benil. They're back with their starting unit with Sanko, Ancheta, Sanchez, Liwag, and Tony Inot. Jomel Ancheta ang nagtawid. Inot, sidesteps, difficult take. But a hoop for Tony Inot.
Yung mga ganyang atake from Tony Inot, talagang laging go hard eh.
That's the first 2 points in the game for Inot. The lead is down to 8. Cuenco against Sanko. Cyrus Cuenco.
Yo!
Oh! Denied by Liwag. Mangubat for 3. No. Liwag pulls it down.
Good intention para dito kay Cuenco, pero inabot siya ni Alin Liwag doon. Eto na naman. Uy!
Liwag got the position but couldn't make it. Hobilia on the move. Chris Hobilia. A great D by Mark Sanko. Denying Hobilia while he was on the move.
He was waiting for the foul.
Oh, Burado si
Oy!
Abonete. Offensive foul on Alin Liwag. Masakit to? Hindi. First foul pa lang dito ni Alin Liwag. So he's done a great job in preserving himself here in the first half. Edward Bryant papasok para sa Mapua. Let's see what happened here. Abonete. Yeah.
Talagang winipe out na eh.
Burado.
Kahit na kumbaga i-contest ito ni Coach Charles, talagang offensive foul ang inatawag. You need to get a better position itong si Aling Liwag. Kasi nga, maraming nangyayari pagka, speaking of nangyayari, pag ito nagkuha naman si JC Recto, marami rin nangyayari tulad nun.
5 points already. We gotta see that play again. He switched hands.
Oo, sa ibabaw na eh.
Diba? Liwag. Binigay kay Inot. 8 to shoot for Tony.
Talagang challenge nila si Ino tumira sa labas.
Mark Sako.
Napaganda pa yung tapik na yun.
Finishing with his offhand. So Benilde stays within striking distance. 4 points already for Mark. Here's Edward Ryan. Nakapasok lang kanina. Escamis. Ran out of options. Here's Recto. He will attack. JC stops, turns, and hits. Difficult turnaround, Jay, by JC Recto.
Speaking of kumpiyansa, experience, na kay JC Recto lahat yan.
7 points already for JC. This is a clear foul on Ryan as he was trying to prevent that Ancheta drive. Pero tignan mo yung buwelo dito ni JC Recto up against Sanchez. Galing sa kanan, kinaliwa pa.
Nakita niya si Aling Liwag doon eh, pero inilipat niya. O, kita mo naman yung crowd natin, pati siya.
Kala ko si JC Recto yun eh. Oh, look at this turnaround jumper by Recto. It's a 10-point lead for Mapua.
Kung sa Season 99 ay may new heroes of the game, nitong unang siglo ay meron ding OG heroes ang NCAA. Hindi lang kasi mga sports legends at mga sikat na celebrities ang naging bunga ng NCAA schools, kundi pati na rin ang mga pambansang bayani ng Pilipinas at dating presidente. Produkto ng Kolehiyo de San Juan de Letran ang mga revolusyonaryong sina Apolinario Mabini at Emilio Jacinto. Ganun din ang mga dating presidenteng sina Manuel Quezon, Sergio Osmeña at Jose P. Laurel. Si Ramon Magsaysay naman ay produkto ng JRU. Si Fidel V. Ramos na nakapag-high school sa Mapua at si Rodrigo Duterte na nag-aral sa LPU at San Beda Law School. Yan ang NCAA sa siglo I. Kung sa Season 99 ay may new heroes of the game, nitong unang siglo ay meron ding OG heroes ang NCAA.
Welcome back to the coverage. And I'll try to do this Coach Hammer style. Bakit nga naman hindi? Tony Inot in his return to the NCAA. Good numbers for Tony in his first year as a member of the Benilde Blazers.
Oo, pag tinignan mo yung stats ni Tony Inot, 10.6 points per game, 4.3 assists, 5.3 rebounds, 1.3 steals per game. The usual Tony Inot na, alam mo yun, nakikita natin in the previous season bago siya lumipat dito sa St. Benilde.
He just got his first basket a few minutes ago, and we have a foul here away from the ball. All right, we have a lot of people joining us from our social media accounts mula sa YouTube. Ito, shoutouts from Nico Cabales. Yan, hi Martin and Bo, Flo, and Aliyah. Hashtag Mapua Cardinals after that win to LPU to end the drought title. 33-year drought title. And for the Benilde Blazers naman, 24 years naghintay looking to end the drought. Ayan. And we also give a shout out to the ME batch of 1997 of Mapua. Tony Inot scores inside. That's from Jerome Ubanya. Later on, we'll get to more shout-outs. But we continue with our coverage here in the second frame. 8-point lead by Mapua. JC Recto has been extra aggressive. Pero, turnover. Sina coach sabi he was held down.
Pag tinignan mo rin yung mga coaches natin, sobrang active eh. Lalo itong Mapua, there's 3 coaches na nakatayo talaga sa nila, mandating kung ano yung gagawin.
Sako messing on the 3 and the rebound up and over Liwag was grabbed by Concepcion. Recto. No look pass. Risky pass. Diretso kay Liwag yun. Sanko is still on the other side, tying his shoe. Ancheta is gonna be doubled. Liwag!
Ganda nung
Easiest. Look.
Yun na yung pinaka easy na basket nito ni Alin Liwag na good find para dito kay Ancheta.
8 puntos na para kay Aden Liwag. And Benilde is slowly chipping away. Clint Escamis slowing down significantly in the latter half of the second quarter. JC
Ganda na ng
Recto.
depensa ni Tony Init. Ito
Oh,
naman.
Recto with another nice move.
Oh. Speaking of ganda ng depensa, ito magandang opensa naman para kay JC Recto. Kaya lang humihingi na siya ng sub kay Costa Randy. Dahil pagod na pagod na.
JC Recto with 9 points in less than 10 minutes of action here in the first half.
Oo. And sa dami ng galaw ni JC Recto, talagang mapapagod.
Ayan,
Kung tumidepensa pa siya, talagang, kumbaga, all out na
All out.
dito sa game 1 ito Mapua.
Makikita natin, finals Recto.
Oo.
Katulad ng season 99, Jonel Ancheta at the free throw line could not make the first. Let's proceed with the other shoutouts here. This is from Bernadette Bical. Mapua, galingan nyo! I'm also watching on GMA. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga kapusong nakatutok via GMA Network. And from Dustin Paul. Ito naman, nakabinild. Go Binild. Fight, fight, fight.
Madami yan ngayon. Kung ito ngang venue natin na Araneta, madami ang crowd. Lalong-lalo na yung mga nakasubaybay dyan sa mga bahay-bahay nila. Kahit sa mga social media dyan, maraming nanonood dyan. Lalong na yung mga alumni ng both teams na
Ayan.
to. Oo.
So, nanonood po kayo, mula kayo sa Mapua or Binild. So, try to read your shoutouts. Or kahit hindi, kahit regular NCAA fan, okay din. Mangubat is trapped, keyed by Clint. No good off the glass. Concepcion.
Ay!
Liwag gets another steal.
Oo, nasobrahan sa fancy itong si Concepcion.
Gabi Cometa got the step through and he draws the foul. 2 takes coming up here for Cometa. Both teams already in the penalty with 19 and a half seconds left here in the first half. So 2 takes coming up for Gab Cometa. One of the 3 players who transferred from San Beda University. Naglalaro ngayon para sa Benil. That was Justin Sanchez, Tony Inot, and Gab Cometa. They were all part of the San Beda roster in season 98.
Oo.
And it is their first finals appearance dito sa collegiate ranks.
Oo, sabay nagsipaglipatan itong mga players na to. And kumbaga yung mga lipat nila is positive. They're in the finals. They brought their respective teams dito sa finals.
So Cometa draining 2 free throws. He'll be subbed out here. Anton Eusebio back on the floor for Benilde for defensive purposes. Potentially the final possession of the first half. And Tony Inot sticking with Clint Escamis.
Oo. Na-challenge na itong si Tony Inot eh. Nakaka-20 mahigit ka na. Teka lang. Pairali natin yung depensa natin.
And Igliane secures the inbound here. Ito na si Clint Escamis.
Siyempre, the usual. It will be Escamis pagdating sa dulo.
Final shot time for Mapua. Clint sidestep. The feed to Hobilia. No! 2 blocks by Aaron Liwag to end the first half.
Oo, ganda na sana ng dish off nito ni Clint Escamis. Kaya lang, the typical defense of Alin Liwag, maaasahan mo, madideflect, masusupalpal niya talaga. And hindi lang nangyari once, twice pa.
That's
Twice in a row, nasupalpal ni Alin Liwag.
So at the half, it is a 5-point game. Mapua ahead, 42-37. Highlights, stats, performances from our cheerleading squads. And when we return, we'll also give you the highlights of the demonstration of the National Athlete Wushu Federation Philippines. All of that coming here. Ito lang po sa ating coverage ng NCAA Season 100 on GMA.